Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the most in-depth and reliable product reviews. Today, we're looking at the best crop cage available on the market, the Poray Large Tunnel 10FTx6FT Plant Netting Cover. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just getting started, this crop cage is a game-changer. Let's dive into what makes this product stand out. First off, the size is impressive. At 10 feet long, 6 feet wide, and a full 6 feet tall, this tunnel-style plant netting cover offers massive room for a variety of garden crops. From tall tomato vines to hanging fruits like cucumbers, loofah, and even grapes. It's designed to give your plants space to breed, grow, and flourish while keeping pests and birds away. Now, let's talk materials. The mesh netting is crafted with a high-quality 96 grams per square meter polyester net, and it's paired with a durable 16 mm round steel tube frame. This combo ensures your garden enclosure is strong enough to withstand the elements and prevent birds or small animals from slipping through. The net mesh is tightly woven, less than 3 mm, making it an excellent barrier against pests without restricting air or sunlight. One of the standout features is how easy it is to set up. The entire structure unfolds and assembles in under 5 minutes. That's right, a full 10 by 6 by 6 foot crop cage ready in minutes. It also includes 2 large front doors with double zippers, making it easy to access your plants whenever needed. Whether you're watering, harvesting, or just checking on growth, you won't have to struggle with entry. Stability is another big win. The kit includes sturdy stakes and 6 long camping ropes to anchor the cage securely. Whether you're dealing with gusty winds or heavy rain, this structure stays firmly grounded. It's portable too. Once folded, the netting and frame fit into a compact 90 cm carry bag, making it easy to store or move to another part of your garden. From a protection standpoint, this product is not just about keeping pests out. It creates an environment where your plants can thrive, well ventilated, sun exposed, and spacious. You don't have to worry about fruit being pecked at by birds or vines being tangled by intrusive critters. Your garden is essentially in a fortress. And if you're worried about customer support, Poray has your back with a 1-year warranty and a responsive after-sales service. If something's not right, they offer refunds or replacements with no hassle. To wrap it up, the Poray Large Tunnel Plant Netting Cover is truly the best crop cage in its class. From size and durability to ease of use and plant protection, it checks every box for the home gardener. Whether you're protecting a small batch of tomatoes or a full bed of climbing vegetables, this netting cover gives your crops the defense and space they deserve. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest product breakdowns. This is Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.